This is V. V is an electric sound. We make it the same way we make a F sound. Only this time we add some electricity. If we're making the sound right, we can feel the electricity in our necks, like this. V can stretch into other sounds, like this.
V, v, va.
V goes into words like van, vampire, and vest. V's favourite letter is letter V. V loves to go into letter V because it's very spiky.